MyKitCo is one of the top selling brush companies in the world because they're based in the UK. You can't just go around the corner and get you a MyKitCo brush, baby. You gotta go to New York or you gotta go to the UK because you just can't pick her up. She's exclusive. So when they came up with new brushes, you know I had to get me some. I never got any other brushes before because she's a little pricey. Premium costs. Premium really costs. But they came up with a new set of brushes that I've never seen before. I said, oh no. How much? Send it. Charge me later. Send it. Put it in the mail now. Even though it's coming from the UK and it's going to cost me money, I needed those brushes because they look like everything. And I mean, I'm not like a brush fanatic, but I mean, I do own my fair share of brushes from a lot of different brands. I have some Anastasia brushes in here, some Morphe brushes, Royal and MyKitCo in here, Delium Tools I love, YSL Luxe brushes in here, El Cheapo dollar store brushes because they get the job done for a tight fit. I've got blending brushes, powder brushes, all the brushes. But these brushes are supposed to be like everything I never knew that I needed, that I always wanted and never had. So I'm really excited to share this with you. If you want to see more makeup videos like this or more lifestyle videos about my fabulous life as a transgender woman, a proud transgender woman, then make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and join the family. We love you here at Tay Beauty World. And grab a drink because I ordered me a few brushes, girl. When you see that Tiffany blue, baby, you know it's quality. So let's not mess up our manicure. Love the little smiley face, man. Ooh, child. I got a fancy pen. So I needed this. So this is the brand new collection. Insert name here. And these are they. So exciting. Okay, first up. We've got the My Blending Shadow Small. Love this. Super intense and soft, like baby's breath. I love it. This will be perfect to just pop in the crease and just blend out. Oh, so effortless. So effortless. Love that one. Okay. Cute. Next, oh, this is the MyKitCo My Flat Blender, which I really was looking forward to using for cream application because I love the Danessa Myricks Color Fix. Like, I don't know how I went my life without them. Like, my whole career changed when I started using them and I just can't. Like, I'm using 8 of them right now. Not really, but I didn't have anything in my kit to like really smudge out any creams. So I was super looking forward to this because it's nice and flat. What is this made out of? Jesus, it's so nice. It can just like pop right in the crease and then just Okay, next. On Point Blender. I was looking forward to this too. Just look how pointy it gets. Now, in preparation for this video, I struggled 3 hours to do this makeup. But I did it for this occasion right here. The My Point on Blender is super skinny so that it can make really small adjustments like right in the outer corner of your eye, in the crease. And just blend that without actually... Did you see? I know you didn't really see anything, but you see it. You see how it... Look. You see this? You see this? Then look, you just blend. It just blends right on that line. I'm not disturbing the foil underneath or the lid, but I'm just diffusing the edge. Ever so slightly. Oh, babies. Alright, almost done. Next is the On Point Blender Small. They're literally the same thing, but even smaller. But look. You can get black. I got like a nice black shadow here in my go-to palette. You just need a little bit. Go right here. Boom, right what we just did. Very lightly. put the brown and the foil that I did earlier right underneath everything to give me that oof definition. Ah, 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 ah. Let me blend it out though. Let me blend it out before I freak out. Oh, Jesus. Look at this. Dude. It's the precision for me. It's the precision. I'm gonna do it again on the other side. Let me see if you can catch it. I need ear. Well, right in that booty butt crack on the outside. Ooh. 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 Okay. Real quick. It just picked up that little bit of product and just is blending its little life away. I love it here. I so love it. Look at my eyes, girl. Oh, I'm sweating, child. I'm sweating. I get really excited about brushes. Just like your hugging cheek contour brush and your Tiffany blue. Nice and dead, super flat. Really great for chiseling out that cheek. With cream, because I love a good cream contour. The Danessa Myricks Balm Tours, baby girl. If you haven't used them, you're missing out. So this is going to be perfect for blending this out because I love placing it with a flat brush like this. Deposit, blend, deposit, blend. Perfect combo. Yeah, it pretty much blended my contour into non-existent, so you can see that it works. Oh, it's just the precision with these brushes, girl. Next, my soft powder brush. Oh, I forgot about this. Ooh, look at it. It's very similar to my highlighting brush that I like to use for everything, but it's just the best daddy. Ooh, let's put some stuff. Medium dark core golden, one size powder. And it's got a little RCMA powder in there as well, because I like to mix the two. Oh my god, look at how it's picking up the products, girl. Look at how it's picking it up. Oh, is it even on? Is it even on? This is a baby toe. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. I can't wait to bless my clients with this. Did you see how that just child? I need to go. My blood pressure's skyrocketing. Gonna give myself a daggone heart attack and a stroke in here. Oh, child. The MyKitCo number 13, my Define Crease. It's like the My Point on blender, but it's a lot more dense, so it's gonna be able to pick up a lot more product. Medium brown. And I'm gonna go right where we stopped running the black. Right above. And I love this because what the heck? What the heck kind of brush is this? I don't own any brush that has, it's like as thick as, it's like the size of a paintbrush, but I could never blend with this. It's too damn flimsy. This one, girl, she's fanning. Girl. I can't even. I can't wait to do this whole eye look over in like 5 minutes. It's just the precision for me. The definite, look at my, who can they make up done? Who can they make up done? Because I'm ready. Shoot, I can't wait to take my makeup off and do this again. So there's 3 more. So next is the 129. Oh no, the 1.29. My sheer blender. Oh my god. This is gonna be perfect for like after I do the cream application to just blend it out and make it super, super fluffy. Just like what I'm about to do right now. Oh my god, my wig is sliding out because I'm so excited. Okay, this one right here. And I'm gonna go above now where we were. Wow, did you see that? Did you see that? It's just like, it just blends so nicely. Oh my god. The blend, harsh, the blend, baby. I could cry. This is like the best thing I've ever invested in my entire career. That's not true, but it definitely is kind of true. Done. I just can't. Oh my god, it's so hot. My eyes are so beautiful. My blending concealer brush. Always looking for a concealer brush that can just make sure I don't get under eye bags like this. You did a really good job with my under eye bags today. Definitely not that bad, but I'm really looking forward to this because it's so soft. Oh my god, it's so soft. I have a brush like this. You see how it's like these two, mom and dad, made this one? It's like I can't really blend too much with this, but I can really place a nice amount of product. And with this one, I can blend a lot, but it can't really place a lot of product. Girl, I can place and blend at the same time. This little baby. I was super looking forward to this one. This is the MyKitCo Pro 1.36 brush. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Baby girl, she is firm, baby. So with this, I'm really excited to get like super crisp gel line, wing gel line strokes. I'm gonna use the Danessa Myricks Color Fix in Lift, which is a white shade. Wish me luck. Okay, this has potential, but I definitely used a little much at first, which is fine. But this is great. I love this. And it's like flexy enough to like kind of help you. Oh my god, the precision. It's just the precision for me. I love this. The 10-piece MyKitCo Pro brushes are Tay approved. I almost had myself a freaking aneurysm in here because they're so stunning and I can't wait to use them. Real quick, let's see how they clean. My chisel cheek. This is alcohol. And then we're going to take some Hawaiian spirits because some brushes you have to wash. So I need to know if I can just quick clean these and keep it moving. Voila! Clean as a baby's bottom. If you got to the end of this, go get you some MyKitCo Pro brushes because they're obviously worth the investment and the $36 shipping fee. I'm sorry, I looked at myself in the viewfinder and I got distracted. It's so stunning. The brush application is so beautiful. did the J's. MyKitCo. Y'all the ones. Y'all the goat family. So until next time, make sure you wash your brushes. Please. Love you. Bye.
No, I don't think you understand.